Journey through the world of jellyfish. As the sea unfolds its mysteries, we dive deep into the world of jellyfish, the ocean's most mesmerizing creatures. Delicate and deadly, these free-swimming aquatic animals are a sight to behold. Their translucent bodies pulsate with a rhythm that is hypnotic. Yet, behind their serene beauty hides a predator. Their tentacles, while captivating, are loaded with venomous stingers, their primary weapon for hunting. But not all jellyfish are harmful. Some, like the bioluminescent jellyfish, use light not to kill, but to communicate and scare off predators. Jellyfish aren't just astonishing, they're also survivors, thriving for over 500 million years. They've outlived the dinosaurs and many other species. In the face of climate change, these creatures are thriving, signaling a drastic change in our ocean ecosystem that cannot be ignored.